Okay, so I just stumbled upon this project called ExTracker, a BitTorrent tracker made in Elixir. And let me tell you, it's blowing my mind.
Oh, wow. BitTorrent trackers are crucial for sharing files. What makes this one stand out?
First off, it's designed for high performance. It uses all available cores and has this low memory usage thing going on.
Wait, seriously? Like it's only 200 megabytes of RAM for a million peers? That's impressive.
Exactly, and there's no setup needed. You just launch it, and it works. That's wild.
No setup? That's game-changing for users who might feel intimidated by tech. Did you see any other cool features?
Yeah, there's HTTPS support, which is super important for security, right? That gave me chills.
Definitely. And speaking of security, I noticed they have backup support to disk. That seems crucial for data safety.
Right, but get this. It's a work in progress. They're working on features like GeoIP support and peer management.
Oh, wow. So they're looking to refine it further. What about those BitTorrent enhancement proposals? Anything surprising there?
Yes, some active proposals are already accepted, like the IPv6 tracker extension, but others, like private torrents, are still in draft.
That's interesting. You'd think private torrents would be high on the priority list. It makes me wonder about the reasoning behind the orders.
Exactly. It's kind of like prioritizing what developers feel is most urgent. What do you think? Is that a strategic move?
Totally. They're likely gauging user needs too. And it reminds me of software development cycles where feedback informs development.
Speaking of development, I love how they've made it easy to run. You can clone the repository directly.
Right. And the Docker option is a game changer. So much easier for deploying applications.
It's like saying, here, let's make this as easy as possible. People are more likely to adopt it when it's user-friendly.
For sure. The more accessible tech is, the more people can use it. But did you notice that there's no official release yet?
Yeah, they mentioned something about it being soon. I wonder what's causing the holdup.
Maybe they want to ensure everything's bulletproof before releasing? That makes sense. Quality over haste.
Exactly. Plus, the fact they encourage users to propose features is refreshing. Engagement is key.
Absolutely. It creates a community feeling. That connection can lead to innovative ideas.
And think about it. Developers who build with user input are often more successful in the long run.
Exactly. Users feel heard, and it often leads to improvements they didn't even know they wanted.
Wait a minute. This makes me think about how open source projects can evolve into something so valuable.
Oh, totally. It's like a living organism, constantly adapting. Do you think this approach can apply to other fields?
For sure. Think of education or healthcare, where user feedback could radically improve experiences.
That would be amazing. And I love how they're trying to maintain performance while incorporating more features.
Totally. It's like walking a tightrope. They have to balance complexity with user-friendliness.
Exactly. If you overload it with features, it could crash and burn, but offering the essentials makes it more robust.
I'm just blown away by how tech can constantly improve with collaboration and simplicity. This is inspiring.
Definitely. And it makes you think about how much potential lies in community-driven projects.
Absolutely. The potential is limitless when you have passionate users and developers working together.
So true. And it ties back into the idea that great technology isn't just about complexity. It's about usability.
Exactly. I'm excited to see how ExTracker evolves. Can you imagine if it becomes mainstream?
That would be incredible. And I bet it would set new standards for what we expect from trackers in the future.
Right? Wait, what if this sparks a whole new wave of collaborative tech projects? That's really exciting.
I love that idea. It's like a new renaissance for tech. Just think of the innovations that could come from it.
Wow, it's amazing to realize how a single project can influence a community. What a thought.
Definitely. Let's keep an eye on ExTracker. I have a feeling it's just the beginning.
Absolutely. I can't wait to see what features they roll out next. It's going to be thrilling.